Hola, just a quick, um, not really unboxing, but just a documentation of my very first running shoes. Charot. So, and Honolulu win New Balance. It's the red box. So, I don't know kung nasod sa kong utok, pero I've never had a running shoe before. I've never bought an actual running shoes, and then wala sad kay ko'y rubber shoes in my rotation, mostly kay sandals or leather shoes for work. And kani mura ni ako ang murag rubber shoe na datanan ba, tennis, walking, jogging, running, travel. This is it. And then nakakwarta mo ko gamay, so I decided na palit ko running shoes, and I'll also try to get into running, kaya at least kanang gamay ra og learning curve ba. Anyway, this is what I got. Shadang! Oops. Maybe as a shoelace. Here it is. New Balance Rebel V5 in this kanang purple and ivory na colorway. Yeah, na ay dot oh. Sige lang kay 40% off ganiha naa sa kuan. Unsa to? Runner na store. I really like it kay first of all gaan kayo. This is my lightest shoe that I've owned. And then gusto ko sa color, and I've never had a New Balance before. So first sa din ako na New Balance shoe. Aesthetic wise ganahan kay ko kay although yung silhouette ko anjo kayo running shoe kay siya kay naka curve pataas siya nag V ana, so running shoe kay siya, but because iyang color aesthetic ra ako maingon kay di mo ko runner, so di pa ko maka say what it's like, but aesthetic wise mura sad siya og kanang dad shoe na look, no? I like this kinds of designs kay murag feel na ko the older it gets, the dirtier and more beat up it gets, kay okay ra gyapon mo stand gihapon ang iyang pagka dad shoe na look. So I don't think it's the type of shoe na kanang dapat jud i-baby na pwede sa jud ni mabiter yan ako everyday wear. Size wise, I really like this shoe kay wide kay siya tanawa. Yeah, flat footed ba ako, so perfect, comfortable kaayo. Even sa sulod wide. Yeah. Wide kayo. Tanawa. It's almost as wide. Mas wide yapon ni siya. Pero kani siya for a running shoe. Kuha na siya. Kanang comfortable gid siya. And it fits my flat foot. Moving akong that's why dili kay ko tigpalit og rubber shoes or kanang sneakers in general kay lisod kayo pangitaan akong feet og kanang comfortable ba na wide foot. So yeah, very happy. I'm hoping na may-use din ako for a long time. 5 years. Okay, patingali. So 5 years from now, 32 years old, I think I'd still wear this when I'm in my 30s. I don't know, depende on sa trend at that time. But for now, I'm so happy. The New Balance Rebel V5. Charis. Bye-bye.